Good morning, students. Once again, welcome to the second part of HTML. Today, we will learn how to create, save, and view HTML documents. Before that, let me explain you there are two types of tags: container tag and empty tag. Those tags which are opened as well as closed are called as container tag. Closing tag we can understand by the front slash that indicates that the tag is closed. Whereas we will be using some tags which are open but are not closed. Such tags are called as empty tag. We will study in detail about this later. But at this level you should know that there are two types of tags, empty tag and container tag. Now what do you require for HTML? We require a text editor where we write the HTML code. By default, Notepad text editor is already installed if you have Windows PC, if you have Windows as the operating system. Secondly, we require a web browser. That web browser can be Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox to view the code that we have already created in Notepad. Today I'll explain you stepwise how to create a folder. So the first step will be open my computer or this PC. Select the drive where you want to create folder. Third step, right click, new, click on folder option. You may rename the folder with any suitable name, and then all the HTML documents you have to save inside this folder. Let me show it practically once. First step, open my computer or this PC, and from there you can select the drive where you want to create the folder. For example, I have selected local disk E. So you can see at the top there in the address bar, computer local disk E means I am creating my folder in E drive. Right click, new, click on folder. A new folder will be created, and here you can rename the folder as I have renamed it as standard 7 practical. So your folder will be created. Now your next is how to create HTML documents. First step will be start a new notepad file. If you are using Windows 7, you can find Notepad in accessories, or you can search for that Notepad. So start a new Notepad file first. Then I will show you in the next slide the HTML code. You have to type that HTML code in Notepad file. Then you have to save your Notepad file. I will also show you how to save. After saving, you can view your saved file through any browser. Let us see the steps practically once. First step, when you start a new Notepad file, I have written a simple coding here. This is a simple web page I have just created. Next week onwards we will learn more about this. That is, the first tag is HTML. Do not give space after, suppose I have typed less than that angular bracket, do not give space in between that. First tag is HTML, second tag head, third tag title, and the title that I have given is my first web page, and I have closed this title tag. Then head tag is closed. Then we start with the body part. Here body, BG color. When you write BG color, make sure you write the correct spelling. Do not write COLOUR. BG COLOR equals to yellow. Text equals to red. Angular bracket close. Then I have written the text which I want on the web page, that is welcome to standard 7. Only one line I have typed now. Next week we will keep on adding more sentences here. Close body tag, then close HTML. After typing all this, you have to save the file. For saving, you will go to File, click on Save As. The Save As dialog box will open. Here you will select where you want to save. You remember you have created your folder in E drive, and the folder's name that I have created here is Standard 7 Practical. So open that folder. Inside that folder you have to save. By default text editor it is text file. We have to make it HTML file. So for that, click on all files as you can see on the screen. Click on all files. Then type the name of the file. Here I have typed the name of the file as webpage1.html. Do not give any space in between. Webpage1.html. And finally click on save. So your web page is created. Can you see there on the screen, children? Web page 1 is created. Now how to open it through browser? If you select that web page and right click, you'll get the option open with. You can select any of the browser. I have selected here Google Chrome. After this, you can see the output. Here this is the web page that we have created, a simple web page in which we used background color as yellow, text color was red, and can you see on the title? On the title it is webpage1.html. That is the name of the file, webpage1.html. And there you can see the whatever you had given in the title, my first web page. You had given in the title tag my first web page. So that appears as the title. File name is webpage1.html, and the output you can see here, welcome to Standard 7, because I had written only one sentence there in the body tag. So whatever you write in the body tag will appear on the window, on the screen here. So this is all for today. Now what is practical assignment? From today onwards it will be next video also. Practical assignments will be given. So practice this assignment explained in the video. You can also refer to the PDF file which I will share with you. In that you can see the steps clearly. Follow those steps. Create a folder in your computer. Start Notepad. Type the coding which I have explained. Save it properly the way it is explained in the video. Be very specific while saving. And then select your file. Right click. Open with any of the browser and you can see the first web page. Okay. Thank you, children, for today only till here. Thank you, all of you.